Happy Saturday, y'all. So I went out today to take my brother to the store. I hadn't been able to take him. He wanted to go last weekend, but for the last 3 weekends, I've been at funerals. So I took him out to Sam's, and then he went in Walmart. I stayed in the car. I wasn't for Walmart today. I really wasn't for Sam's, but I went in there and got a few things. So here's what I got. So when I went in there, y'all, they had 2 Carter blanket sleepers for $2.91. So how I shopped, how I survived being a single mom with kids, I would shop off season next season. So, okay, so like right now, if you have small kids, like say you have a baby that's a toddler, say a toddler, you got a toddler that's a 2T. Possibly next year there may be a 3T. I think kids change sizes every 3 months, and then at a year, it's a little slower. But anyway, so usually for some kids, they're the same, like they're 4 years old, they wear 4. But for a lot of kids, I know some 2-year-olds could probably wear 4Ts. But anyway, so I got this, $2.91 for 2. I got this one. I called my church member. She told me to get 2. I got a 9 to 12 month. This for some kids that are younger. These are hers, 9 to 12 months. And then I got the 4T. Because I'll give them as gifts. Okay? And then I got my grandbaby. They had the Levi shirts, $5.81 for 2 tanks. So I bought them the one with the gray. And I got them these 2. Okay, I got the alcohol. I needed some alcohol. I know my son needed alcohol because I hadn't bought any in a while, and I needed 2. I use it as an astringent, like you do like witch hazel. And I need some more peroxide. You could do so much with peroxide. Then I got me some alcohol swabs. Yeah, I got some toner seasoning because I was out. I got some more of the pecan hairs. They were $1.50 off. I had gotten a request to do some more pecan pralines, and I am going to do it sometime this week. I'm committed. And then I got the Wild Pacific pink salmon fillets. And I bought this because I saw somebody did some salmon fried rice, and I want to try it with a whole bunch of vegetables. Not a lot of rice, though, but I want to use rice, but not a whole lot. And I might even do the brown rice. And then, y'all, I shopped on this place called Daily Deals, and I got these LED lights. I think you can put these in the ground. I can't remember. But look, they have a remote control. Only thing is, I thought they were solar power, but they take 3 AAA batteries. So I got those, and I think I bought 4-pack of them, and 4-pack of them. The shipping I think was free. And then all right, y'all. Also on a Daily Deal, I got these solar lights. These are the ones that's, let's see. I don't know. But anyway, I got those too. Sometimes you be buying stuff. I'm really buying for when I buy my house. I have things like I want to fix up my yard. I want my yard to be, my backyard to be like an oasis. I do. So a lot of this is stuff I'm putting up to use later. When I see it on sale. And so then sometimes when you buy from them, you can get things for 99 cents. So they sent this 3D kinetic spring. It's a it's an interactive, some kind of interactive play. It was 99 cents. And then I got the wall mounted phone holder. You could also put masks and keys and stuff on there. And then y'all, got this getting ready to go to the beach for the summer. I got this. It's this can hold, it's a beach bag. And it could actually hold, I thought I bought 2 of these though. It could actually hold 12 soda cans. All right, I just want to show y'all what about. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
I feel the love. I feel it growing every day. I feel the love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes